Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to the Soil Reporting channel. In our last video, we started to look at some dirt and asking the questions of who's really doing the farming, whether we are or if the plants are farming the microbes for their nutrients. So with that, we're going to start this journey. And on this journey, it all starts with the seed. And seed is just a dormant, or it is dormant. It's a compressed package of energy, just waiting for everything to kick in. It needs a little bit of moisture and it needs some bacteria. So, with that being said, what are we going to do? Well, we have a product called BioCore. It's a 3-in-1 solution. It's a dry blend of talc, it's biologicals and other microorganisms. That's basically a game changer for the seed's first moments. So let's take a quick look to what's going on. First thing it's going to do is going to kickstart the germination. The beneficial microorganisms in BioCore are specifically chosen to jumpstart the biological activity at the seed's surface. So once it gets going and it starts to work, it's going to make more phosphorus available to the plant. And that's energy. The plant needs a good, strong start, and the phosphorus is going to do that for it. The other thing it's going to do is this BioCore is going to, it's a talc product. So it's, you put it in your planter box, and it's going to act as a lubricant. It's going to ensure that every single seed is coated, coats very easily. And that means that there's going to be less friction in the box, going down the tubes, fewer skips, and that way you'll get a consistent seed drop, which leads to a more uniform stand. And we all know, or we should know, that a uniform, properly spaced seed will produce more than clump here, clump there, that is detrimental. So, and with all that, the other thing that BioCore is going to do is as soon as that seed puts that root out there, it's going to have the biologicals ready to go, and that plant can start grabbing onto the bacteria carrying the nutrients, going into the plant, giving that plant a very good start right from the very beginning. And it's going to start the beginning of the plant's life, which is also the start of the rhizophagy cycle, which we're going to explain. But in our next video, we are going to talk about photosynthesis. I said I was going to do that first, and then I realized that the seed is more important. You got to have the seed grown before you can use photosynthesis. So with that being said, the next video is going to be on the photosynthesis. We're going to show how the plant uses sunlight and carbon dioxide to create sugars that feed itself, but also feed the entire microbial community in the soil. And that's for the energy exchange. So don't miss it. Make sure you subscribe. And thanks for watching. And we'll be back with another video soon. Thank you.